Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adurite on Roblox. Adurite is a popular online marketplace where Roblox players can buy and sell valuable virtual items, known as limiteds and also Robux. It functions as a player-to-player trading hub, offering competitive rates for transactions. It's important to remember that Adurite operates as an independent platform and is not officially connected to the Roblox Corporation. To get started with Adurite, first create an account on their website and verify your email. For robust security, it is highly recommended to enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. The crucial step is linking your Roblox account. This involves securely copying your Roblo security cookie from your browser's developer tools and pasting it into your Adurite seller panel. This process connects your Roblox inventory to the marketplace. Once your account is set up, you can begin trading. Sellers can list their Roblox limited items or Robux directly on the Adurite platform. Buyers can then browse these listings and make purchases using a variety of payment methods. Adurite also offers features like listing boosts to increase visibility and premium memberships, which can provide benefits such as reduced fees and faster support for active sellers. While Adurite offers a convenient marketplace, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Be cautious of poisoned items, which are obtained illegitimately and could result in your Roblox account being banned. Many users recommend using a separate, alternate Roblox account for all transactions to protect your main account. Additionally, always research item values on external sites to ensure fair pricing, preventing you from overpaying or underselling your valuable assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.